Hey, who's gonna push Jackson?
I will.
Yeah? Kai, go lay down. Ready? Go lay down. Go lay down by Maddie. Ready? Here goes. Oh, other way. He's going the other way. He's going the other way. Don't jump up. Don't do that. It'll collapse it.
Hey, tip it over.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, who's going to lay down?
No, push
don't
it
do
that
that,
way.
Jackson.
Push it towards you. Push it towards you.
No, we can't get on top, okay? It'll break. We don't want it to break.